Welcome to Make Life Smart, where everyday chores get a smart upgrade. What if doing laundry didn't require bulky machines or wasted space, but something compact, efficient, and surprisingly powerful? In this video, Best Mini Portable Washing Machines 2026, we're exploring small devices that make a big difference. Stay with me because once you see these, laundry might never feel like a hassle again. Number 1. Meet GEZHE TM3, the world's first rechargeable mini washing machine that turns laundry into something fast, portable, and incredibly convenient. Because sometimes you don't need a full-size machine, you just need a smart solution. At first glance, it's compact and simple, but the moment you use it, you realize how powerful it really is. Designed for small loads, it's perfect for travel, dorms, or quick daily washes. No heavy setup, no fixed location. What makes it truly unique is its rechargeable design. No constant power connection, no limitations. You can use it almost anywhere. Just charge it, add water and detergent, and let it handle the rest. Imagine washing your essentials on the go, saving time, space, and effort without compromising on cleanliness. It's efficient, easy to use, and built for modern lifestyles where flexibility matters. This isn't just a mini washing machine, it's freedom from bulky laundry routines. And once you experience that level of convenience, going back to traditional washing might not feel as practical anymore. Number 2. Introducing Nix, the world's smallest all-in-one drum washing machine that redefines how and where you do your laundry. Because in today's world, convenience isn't optional, it's essential. At first glance, it's unbelievably compact, but don't let the size fool you. This little machine is built to handle real washing with a true drum system, just like full-size washers. It cleans, rinses, and spins, all in one sleek unit. Imagine living in a small apartment, traveling, or even working on the go, and still having access to a complete laundry solution right beside you. No laundromats, no waiting, no hassle. What makes Nix truly impressive is how intelligently it's designed. It uses minimal water and energy while delivering effective cleaning, making it both eco-friendly and efficient. It's quiet, portable, and fits seamlessly into tight spaces without compromising performance. This isn't just a mini washer, it's a complete laundry system shrunk down into something you can actually carry. And once you experience that level of freedom and control, relying on traditional bulky machines might start to feel unnecessary. Number 3. Meet the Costway 8 pounds, a portable, fully automatic washing machine that brings full-size convenience into a compact, space-saving design, perfect for apartments, dorms, or small living spaces where every inch matters. From the moment you start it, everything feels effortless. Just load your clothes, select a cycle, and let it handle the rest, washing, rinsing, and spinning all in one smooth process. What makes it truly practical is its balance. It's powerful enough to clean effectively, yet compact enough to move and store without hassle. Imagine doing your laundry anytime you want without waiting, shared machines, or laundromats. It's simple, reliable, and designed to fit into your lifestyle. This isn't just a portable washer, it's everyday convenience redefined. And once you experience that level of control, traditional laundry routines won't feel as easy anymore. Number 4. Introducing HAVA T01, a portable washing machine designed for modern apartment living where space is limited but convenience still matters. It's compact, clean, and surprisingly powerful for its size. From the moment you set it up, everything feels simple. Just add your clothes, choose a mode, and let it handle the washing and rinsing without any complicated setup. What makes it truly stand out is how perfectly it fits into small spaces, kitchens, bathrooms, even countertops, without feeling intrusive. Imagine doing quick laundry anytime you want without waiting, shared machines, or stepping out. It's efficient, quiet, and built for everyday ease. This isn't just a mini washer, it's smart living made practical. And once you experience that level of convenience, traditional laundry routines might feel like too much effort. Number 5. Meet the Drop, a portable countertop washer and spinner that turns even the smallest space into your personal laundry station. It's compact, stylish, and designed for those who want convenience without compromise. From the moment you use it, everything feels quick and effortless. Wash your clothes, then switch to spin mode to remove excess water, all in one simple, seamless process. What makes it truly impressive is how it fits right on your countertop, saving space while still delivering effective cleaning power. Imagine handling your laundry anytime you want. No waiting, no shared machines, no hassle. It's efficient, easy to use, and perfect for modern living. This isn't just a mini washer, it's a smarter way to stay fresh on your terms. And once you experience that level of flexibility, traditional laundry setups might feel unnecessary. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.